Brought to you by JEGS.
Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new Force 2 catback system for the 2011 and 12 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 5.7-liter Hemi engine. This bolt-on dual system features our Scavenger X pipe, 2.5-inch mandrel bent tubing, Super 50 series mufflers, and specially tuned resonators. As a Force 2 system, it will typically produce a deep performance tone on the outside with a mild to moderate interior sound level that is perfect for everyday driving. If you're looking for an increase in power, torque, or mileage with a refined performance sound, this is the system for you.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.